Today, I'd like to show you how to repair Volkswagen e-Golf trunk latch. When trunk latch is broken, it makes some noise when you open the trunk, and also it's not locked. That's a problem. Because it is not locked, your display shows an error, and you cannot use a backup camera. The root cause is this latch. This is broken. So I'm going to replace this latch with new one. Here's the part number for my 2016 e-Golf. This repair requires T20 torx bit and also 8mm spline 12-point bit. On the trunk panel, there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, I unscrewed them. Next, I took out this panel so that I can take out the whole cover easily. I took out the other side as well. Next, I took out the cover. I just put it by hand. I'll show you soon how the cover is attached to the trunk. Finally, I made it. This is how the cover is attached to the trunk. You see 10 pins in total. And you see 10 sockets in total. You also see 2 holes on the left side and 2 holes on the right side. And you see 2 pins on the left side on trunk and 2 pins on the right side of trunk. Then I'm going to replace this latch by using 8mm spline 12-point bit. First, I took out the connector from the latch. There is a push button on the top of the connector, so I pressed it and took out the connector from the latch. Next, I unscrewed 2 bolts with 8mm spline 12-point bit. Then I took out the broken latch. Then replaced it with new one. And I had bolts, panel, and screws back. Now it works well. It is securely locked. And when you open the trunk, there is no noise. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if this is helpful.